This is our second video. As we have dealt in the earlier video up to 10th point. The first point was Gravine is related to orogenic belt, Groin is related to littoral zone, Gore is related to Aeolian area, Gabbro is related to lithosphere. The second point was river valley whose courses are controlled by factors which are not determinable are termed as insequent. And similarly we deal with the similar sound words but different, like consequent is the main river and the sub part of this river is subsequent, and in subsequent, when a river comes in the same direction of the main river and join subsequent is resequent, and in the opposite directions it comes and join the subsequent is known as obsequent. And third was deep chemical decay of rocks is an outstanding feature of humid tropical region. It was correct. Humid tropical region is favorable for deep chemical decay, and in humid tropical region there are presence of abundance of water and higher air temperature which act as a catalyst for deep chemical decay of rocks. And the 4 point was about the books and author. Physical Geography Astroller and Outline of Geomorphology is written by Woodridge and Morgan, Geomorphology by Lobeck, Essays in Geomorphology by Harry Dory, and these are the books cover. Okay, and the fifth topic was the slope replacement model is propounded by Pank. Slope decline model is given by Davis. Slope retreat or parallel retreat was given by L.C. King, and this was diagram. This is related to Davis and this is related to Pank, and this is related to L.C. King. And simple landscape. In simple landscape, single dominant geomorphic process, but in compound landscape, more than one dominant geomorphic process. The concept landscape is function of process, structure and stage is given by William Morris Davis. Lateral planation theory of pediment formation was proposed by Gilbert and was promoted by Johnson and further explained and elaborated by Sharp and Howard. The wave cut platform is found in California coast. The theory of seafloor spreading was proposed by Hess and Diet. We have completed till here. This